Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex and this is AMRC, and we're here today to fly the Eratix again. The maiden went good, although I was all shaking, but let's hope this time it goes just as well, if not better. Now I know what to expect from it. Let's go. Okay, I know I usually hand launch these, but I don't feel like I'm up for that. Not now, at least. I think it's still a tad nose heavy. I have the battery as far back as I can. It's a 950 milliamp 3S. Okay, let's switch to low rates and get this puppy out of safe. Let's try high rates. Whoa. Okay, it really spins. Yeah, assembly of this was a breeze. Took me like 20 minutes while watching TV. What took me most was changing out the connector from IC2 to XT30. That definitely feels a bit nose heavy. I know usually that's not what you want for 3D planes, but it flies good for me. Probably have to get some new batteries now that I have several planes that use this size. Okay, I'm still safe now. And why I went with this is because it's relatively cheap. You know, there's cheaper options out there. All the kits and almost ready to fly to. But this is convenient. That's especially with bind and fly. That's what E-flite goes for, convenience. Okay, cool. And I love having safe when I get disoriented. And for landings, such. I know it's not best practice, but especially with a touchy plane like this. And yeah, I would have loved maybe getting the extra 300 from E-flite, but that's more than double the cost of this. And for trying to fly 3D, it's probably gonna see some crashes, so I'm not really keen on crashing a $400+ plane. And honestly, at that price point, you have the smaller extreme flight planes come at almost ready to flies. Now you have to add all electronics to those, but still, you get a wood plane. So probably when I'll feel ready, that's the route I'll go for. Okay, at this point I'm just mashing sticks. Man, this is fun to throw around. It's very neutral. I don't feel like it's gonna be stalling and darting into the ground. There's a bird. I'm not sure. Keep getting ESC warnings. I have about a minute left on a 5-minute timer. Yeah, these batteries I have are a bit old, so let's try one more time. And this is in low rates, guys. 60% on full rates. Ooh. See, kind of lost orientation a bit. Let's try high rates. It just spins. Okay, let's get this thing back on the ground, back in safe. The road seems to be clear. My transmitter's beeping like crazy. Right back. You got a car coming. Let him pass. Okay, I'll just cruise. Yeah, it's easier than I expected to fly in it. It handles great. And I asked for some opinions online how to get this or a Twisted Hobbies kit. And most opinions were for the Twisted Hobbies. Probably those who have had other 3D planes say this is not necessarily a good one. It's probably heavier and more beginner friendly. Whew, let's get it off the road. But yeah, for my first dedicated profile foamy for 3D flying guy, I'm more than happy with it. So if you want to get started this type of flying, of course this is not a good first or second plane, probably from the third or fourth at least, but it's very easy to fly. I mean, I didn't notice any bad tendencies in the air. Has plenty of power to do anything your fingers can do with the sticks. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. Hope I'll have many great flights and have some progress with 3D flying. Let me know what you think, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it. Leave some great comments. Let the car pass. Have a helicopter, hawk or an eagle or something. And the Eratix. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.